Hebei Hailan Bearing Manufacturer Company Limited is located in Yunhe Industrial Park, Linxi County, Hebei, China, which is a professional manufacturer specialized in research and development, production, promotion, and application of pillow block bearings, covering an area of 80,000 square meters. Plants cover 50,000 square meters, with more than 500 employees, including 60 technicians and engineers. Annual output over 10 million sets. With the development of 30 years, we have grown to be one of the major manufacturers and exporters for pillow block bearings in China. Quality is the life of manufacturing industry. Hailan Bearing persists in strict quality control and product inspection. Bearings and housings are totally produced by ourselves. The bearing housings casting is made by medium-frequency furnace smelting. Equipped with raw material element analysis instruments, pre-furnace molten iron element detection analyzer, brain nail hardness tester, and a material tension testing machine to test and control the quality of each bearing rough casting from the beginning. Bearing housings machining adopts a variety of special CNC machine tools for processing, ensuring the accuracy of bearing pedestal. The bearing housings spray paint is produced by environmental powder plastic spraying production line. The bearing rings are made of high-quality chrome steel, turned by precision CNC turning processing line. The bearing rings will be sent to the heat treatment production line with the protective atmosphere for quenching heat treatment and tempering treatment. The bearing rings after heat treatment is subjected to strict metrographic examination and hardness measurement. The screw area annealing ensures the quality stability of set screw hole. The grinding machines and equipment of bearing rings are equipped with high-precision CNC machine grinders, which ensures the accuracy of the surface of the bearing ring and low friction resistance and high rotary accuracy of the bearings when it rotates. Important surfaces of the bearing inner and out rings shall be tested by high-precision horizontal lens instrument, roundness mirroring instrument, roughness profilometer for comprehensive precision detection. The assembly of bearings is equipped with a variety of automatic equipments such as automatic cleaning of bearing rings, automatic cleaning of bearing products, automatic assembly of bearings, automatic grease injection, and automatic capping. The finished bearing is strictly tested for 3 items: rotation accuracy, radial clearance, and vibration noise level of the bearing. The vibration noise level of the bearing has reached the requirement of V2 level. There are 4 packing lines to finish the final process before delivery. Through excellent management to make sure the work efficiency, bearings and housings march based on standard torque figure to make sure the bearing rotation accuracy and proper self-aligning. Our products are widely used in various types of transmission equipment, mine machinery, textile machinery, agricultural machinery, and construction machinery, and so on. Our company has passed the ISO Quality Management System Certification, SGS certification, and obtained the certification of high-grade products, and famous trademark of Hebei province, and a number of utility models and designs patents. Advanced technology contributes to our quality products. Meticulous attitude of research and development is throughout the whole bearing process. We can offer efficient solutions with our professional sales and after-sales team based on the marketing and service network of domestic and abroad. Honest strengthens the basis. Innovation leads to the future development is our continuous pursuit. Strong commitment makes us professional. Let's make progress together on the way of acquaintance, cooperation, and success.